In this video, I will talk about customer persona, idea marketing model, and copywriting. Customer persona. For every organization, it is necessary to understand whatever product and service they are creating, to which kind of customers they are creating those products and services. It is necessary for organization or company to create an image or imaginary customer to whom company or organization is aiming to serve. That imaginary customer is called customer persona. Basic information about the customer like age, gender, location of customer, job, marital status, etc. are considered to develop customer persona. It is very necessary for every organization to know to whom they will be serving, to whom they will be creating the product before thinking about creating product or service. An imaginary picture of the imaginary customer is also drawn. How the customer will look like, that is also imagined, and picture of that customer is drawn while creating customer persona. Personality traits of the customer are also defined, like whether the customer is funny, professional, or the way customer reacts. Research needs to be done to create customer persona. Data about customers have to be collected to know their demographic information, their behavior. It is a lot of process to create customer persona. For example, if somebody wants to make a movie, initially that person or that team has to know for whom they are making movie. Are they making movie for all kinds of customer, or are they making movie for a particular segment, particular type of customer? First they have to understand it. After understanding then only they can think about their movie. So it is necessary for every kind of organization which is supposed to provide some kind of service or product for customer initially have understanding about their customers. So organizations should create customer persona at the very beginning. Now let's talk of IDEA, that marketing model. IDEA is the acronym for attention, interest, desire, and act. Initially, the organization which will be creating service or product will create some kind of thing, or they do some action that will create attention in the customer about their service or product. Organization can publish information about their service product in newspaper, websites, they can publish in online channels or televisions. That will help to create some kind of attention within the customer about their service and product. Then the organization will act such that the customers who have seen or who got attention about their service and product get interested in their service or product. They have to do more after publishing information about their service and product in newspaper or on some online channels. They have to do more to create interest so that customers are willing to know more about that product or service. As the customer get interested by the action of the organization, then organization has to create another strategy which will create desire in the customer. That means that organization have to do something which will entice the customer to act about the service or product. Either the customer should be encouraged to fill the registration form or purchase the product or service. So it is very necessary for organization to create some marketing model which will enable them to create some kind of interest, then desire in the customers. After desiring for some product or service, then only customers will act. That can be filling the online forms or purchasing the product. For any company or organization whose major goal is to make profit by selling its services and products, it is necessary to know, understand, and predict needs and expectation of customers from the product and service to whom the company is selling product and service. Answer these questions help marketing team of the organization company to take right direction for marketing activities. So initially it will be better for any organization to have the customer persona. If they create the customer persona at the very beginning, they can create their service provide according to the nature of their predicted customer. How to use customer persona to sell more? Customer persona is a depiction of ideal customers based on qualitative and quantitative data, market analysis, and things known about the customers. Product developers can craft product roadmaps based on customer persona, creating marketing strategies according to customer personas. That customer persona will help organization company to pursue their marketing activities. It will guide where they have to do advertisement of their products and services because they have already created the customer persona. That means they will know where are their customers, what kind of customers are there. For example, customers maybe of teenagers, customer maybe from rural areas. So that will help, that information will help organizations to do marketing, to develop marketing strategies for their service and products. It may be necessary for organization to create more than one customer persona. Model services product for each persona. If company wants to target its product and service among different customers, in that case it may be necessary for organization to create multiple personas, that is more than one personas, and they have to model or create service products according to each persona. They have to think how each customers can be served. So in this way, that customers persona can be used by organization. Marketers use buyers persona to develop marketing strategy. Buyers or customer persona help to market segmentation of products or services in better way. How to find data about developing customer persona? That means the past historical data will be of great value from the existing customer. Organization may have done some kind of transaction in the past, and that data about the customers will help. What kind of customers are there? What is the consumer behavior? That past data will help organization to create a customer persona. In addition to do that, organizations have to do market research. What kind of customers are there in the market? What the customers are willing to have? They have to do market research to create the customer persona. That idea marketing model can be created accordingly to the customer persona. Copywriting is a strategy for creating content with aim of convincing readers to take a specific action. Basically, copywriting is done for marketing a product or service. Copywriters write the content, that is the copy of the product or service, considering persuasive features of the product or service to create interest in the readers to purchase the product or service. So in case of the idea, how to create this attention, interest, desire, for all these steps, organizations have to create different kind of contents, and these copywriters will help to create the content to create attention, interest, desire. If you have to write the advertisement, you need the content. What should be provided in the advertisement? What kind of video you want to make about the advertisement for the product? It is necessary to understand. So copywriting strategy helps organization to create interest, then desire, interest, desire, attention within the customers about their service and product. In case of the desire, it may be necessary for organization to entice. Maybe there may be some kind of strategy that will compel customers to act, like some kind of discount should be provided if they purchase the product or they fill up the form, or some kind of online digital things like music, books, brochures that can be provided to the customers if they fill up the form or purchase the product. So how to create this desire? That is the main thing of the idea. First, attention is also there. After persons speak, customers get attention, then they will act. They will not act, they will be interested in the service and product. And copywriting will help to create desire. So this is very necessary. Okay, thank you very much for listening.